Need to insert a custom text box? Google Docs has a quick trick. Okay, let's say you want to add your text box just here. What you have to do is click on Insert and then click on Drawing and then New. Then click on the text box icon, which is this one, and go ahead and draw your box. Type your text. You can format it. And click on Save and Close. You can move or resize your box in your document. If you need to edit it, just click on Edit and you're back to where you started. Save and close. Ta-da. And then if, for instance, I want to center it, I can do that by increasing the indent, and you do as you please. And that's your text box done. If you liked this video, like and subscribe for more quick Google Docs tips. Bye.